Six Sigma, Lean and TQM are all concerned with making continuous changes on both a large and small scale that bring an organization ever closer to a model of perfection. In the case of Lean, that model is a process that has zero waste. In Six Sigma, the model is statistically Six Sigma. In TQM, organizations often define their own version of perfection before working toward it. Business process reengineering, or BPR, is less concerned with incremental quality wins and more concerned with a radical change across an entire organization or process architecture. Business process reengineering, which is also called business process redesign, is most often concerned with the technical processes that occur throughout an organization. Those processes might include systems, software, data storage, cloud and web processes, and computer-based workflows operated and maintained by human users. Because of the intense integration of automation and computer elements into processes with BPR, organizations that enter BPR endeavors have to rely heavily on both inside and outside technical resources. Inside resources provide programming, integration, and troubleshooting services as processes are developed or redesigned. Outside resources can be BPR consultants, contracted programmers and developers, or vendors bringing new software products to the table. As you can probably imagine, BPR initiatives can be costly, which is why they are often deployed only when an organization expects exponential gain or has determined that current processes are obsolete or badly broken. BPR projects tend to follow a common map, though there isn't a defined set of principles as there is with Six Sigma. Most projects go through planning, design, and implementation phases. During planning, teams use process mapping and process architecture principles to define enterprise-wide processes in their current state. Teams look for opportunities for improvement and brainstorm new architectures for processes throughout the organization. During the design phase, BPR teams use validation techniques to ensure solutions they are planning will work within the enterprise structure. They also begin to build tools and programs to integrate the changes. Technical teams might use the Scrum methods described later in this course at this point in the process. Finally, organizations implement the changes they have made. Since changes are often programmatic in nature, implementation usually includes a rigorous change management and testing procedure. Testing in technical environments includes steps such as sandbox testing of basic functionality, quality assurance testing by trained technical resources, beta testing during which experienced subject matter experts vet all aspects of a program in a limited live environment. A rollout of the program to the enterprise, often conducted in a phased approach during which technical resources are on call to immediately resolve troubleshooting issues. A conversion to regular function where technical resources are available in a normal capacity to deal with occasional issues.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Shahira. Okay, I will present about business process reengineering or BPR and land operation. Next. Okay, slide 1. Introduction. Business process reengineering or BPR is recognized as means of either improving efficiency of enabling view value and the change to be achieved in from chapter 11. The main focus of BPR in a process change in improve customer value. The chapter explores BPR concept and issues within the small and medium-sized enterprise context. The BPR lecture has focused on themes, yet firm as attempt to regenerate. Smash the lecture forms face challenge and research change environment such as the emergency of food market of needs for better product quality. Okay, next slide 2. What is BPR? BPR is approach to reduce business process for curtailing profit and restructure the business using engineering methodology. This approach was introduced by Michael Hammer in his book, Reengineering the Corporation, and the word attention. BPR or Business Process Reengineering was spotlighted by in the books Reengineering the Corporation, written by Michael Hammer in the book Strong Words Out Fundamental, radical, and dramatic are used, however, by using our engineering that matches business management. The book calls creates an image of a management body, a machine that produces money. Okay, next slide 3. How do you engineer IT process? Business process engineering, one form of finding roadblocks, is not new concept for IT professionals, but never one we have had addressed uncertainty until now. We have been the process makers, the process recorders, and the process supporters. Our software, hardware, and position for technology have brought significant change to business while slowly alienating edge for us from our business roots. Okay, next. The three important ingredients. Business process engineering or BPR is all about creating change by identifying and focusing on business process and make the form efficient, make simplifying them with the use modern technology and the involvement of the entire organization. Okay, last slide 4. ID breakdown result. BPR targets and target achieve technical result. The characteristics described above focus a process on questioning understood cue and setting specific objective allow of this outcome. Organizational systems have androids like built into them. Sometimes this like can be quite significant and can occur the excess inventory. Production capability, manpower, and working capital. A part of the Slack also finances the non-value handling activities do characters by process. Okay everyone, thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and see you.